It's true. There is a one-step professional rock chip repair resin, Glass Magic Professional. The fast professional resin that repairs without fillers or polishers and completes repairs in under 5 minutes, getting your customers on their way in record time and allowing you to do 3 times the number of repairs in the same time as using fillers and polishers used to. Glass Magic Professional resin is thin and flows into chips and cracks with ease. Its penetrating power is remarkable and it dries crystal clear without age yellowing. Cleanup is easy with Glass Magic Professional's proprietary glass cleaner, a professional job done well in record time. Improving your bottom line couldn't be easier. Call for a free sample bottle now. Call Glass Magic Professional at 806-799-7272 or go to our website at www.glassmagicresin.com to order online. Let's review the easy steps. Prepare the area. Position bridge. Apply resin. Pull a vacuum. Release. Pressurize the pump. Apply heat. Remove pump. Place tab. Cure. Easy cleanup. Send your customer on their way. To find out more and get your free sample, just go to www.glassmagicresin.com to order online.